Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then launch the process immediately. You install F4j Radar V1, X and required drivers, connect the antenna to a USB port, and verify power and LEDs. Once done, open the F4j application and create a new project. Next, set the sample rate and initial center frequency so the device can lock. Make sure device permissions are granted by your OS so data streams start without interruption. You continue by configuring capture and processing parameters to extract usable targets. First, pick the target profile and set integration time. For walking targets, try 100 ms. Then fine-tune gain, filter bandwidth, and FFT size to balance sensitivity versus resolution. Once done, start live capture and watch both spectrum and heat map panels to confirm returns. If clutter appears, gradually reduce bandwidth or lower gain while observing signal-to-noise changes so you preserve real targets. You finish the session by cleaning and saving results so they are reproducible. Stop the capture, apply smoothing and basic clutter suppression, then export CSV or image files for analysis. Once done, save the project and back up the calibration file for future runs. If you find no signal, check cable seating, USB drivers, and that the center frequency matches the antenna band. Also verify power and LED status. If still failing, reboot the host and retry to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.